If you want to create Gmail account without adding any phone number, then this video is for you. In this video, I will guide you step-by-step process. Just make sure to watch till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store application and tap on this profile icon. Tap on this drop-down menu and press on Add another account. Tap on Google, and it will redirect you to this sign-in page. Then tap on Create Account and select this second option for work or business. Enter your name and press Next. Select your date of birth. Select any date above 18 years and press on Next. Type your email. This is the most important thing, so choose wisely and press on Next. Enter your password and press Next. Next. Scroll down and press I agree. Congratulations. Our Gmail account has been created without any number. This is how you can do as well. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.